Thanks, Rock, for holding my bike.
Huh?
I didn't speed up that time.
No.
I still moseyed at it.
Yeah, and you chopped the throttle once you got on it. What? I'll go first and then you can watch. But yeah, like this really isn't in a rock wall, it's just a ramp.
Right.
And so as soon as you hit that, it's just gonna roll up. See where I went up? There was like a little ridge.
Yeah.
That's where you heard the engine go, whoa, whoa.
Right.
Right here, you can just pretty much, you just need momentum because you're not gonna get traction on this.
Right.
Yeah, I just get back right back where you were and then just do the same thing, but just stay kind of on the throttle just a little bit. You got it. Yep. You never know, sometimes those little rocks.
Well, I don't have the greatest balance yet with the bike.
Yeah.
I kind of tend to wobble over the rocks.
Uh-huh.
Were you standing?
I was, yeah. But you don't have to, whatever you're comfortable with. Standing is the best way to do it, but...
Right. You're right, it's just about keeping the RPM steady.
Yep. It's all about traction, and the only way you're gonna get traction is if you can keep that throttle steady.
Right. Sick. Let's get moving. I'm sweaty.
I know. I'm right there with you. Okay. Continue on.